Yeah, this is so exciting. We're about to get to go inside the HEB. It's the grand opening here in Frisco, and there are lots of cars here, and and lots more are coming. Wow, just the parking lot and the traffic is amazing. I'll take you inside and let's take a look to see what's all the hype is about. I can't wait. I don't think I've ever been to an HEB, so I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what all it has to offer. Yeah, we're going in on the pharmacy end. There's the fresh food is over there. There's the fresh food, but we're going to go in the pharmacy side of the HEB. Ooh, look at that. It says Texas. What does it say, Dan?
Backyard.
Texas backyard. All right.
A lot of plants. A lot of plants.
This is so cool. All right, Dan.
I know y'all don't need bread minutes.
Well, this is the entrance. Look at all that.
So did your pharmacy.
And here's the pharmacy down here.
Yellow stickers.
Oh, okay.
They got discount on the pharmacy stuff today, night too.
Yeah. So many things they checked out.
Once it slows down, we may have to go to Wilson's pharmacy here.
Yeah. Wow, this is so exciting. Yeah.
You just want to go down the aisles?
Sure.
There's dairy in front of us.
Okay.
Look at all their stuff.
Okay. I like that all the aisles are well marked, so you know what to expect. Very nicely done.
Vitamins are on sale.
Oh, cool. Their own house brand mineral water.
Yeah, mango, lime.
Ooh, look at the different flavors, you guys. Mango, lime, and just regular mineral water. It's really neat. Teaspoons. What these are? Oh, that coffee scoop. Neat. It's the coffee scoop, the perfect scoop. $4.98. And of course, we're in the coffee aisle, which makes sense to have the coffee scoop. And lots of coffee choices.
You can do your own coffee bag.
And of course, you can have your own coffee being grounded. And so, really neat. So one of the things that you want to look for when you're in this section is where you see the sign that says Combo Loco right here. So if you buy the item on the left, you also get the item on the right for free. So when you plan your meal, it is kind of neat to have that, keep that in mind when you see the Combo Loco like that. And they have all these little coupons that you can get money off. Look at that.
Here's all the different types you got on here too. Do you want me to film one of the ones making?
Yeah.
Oh, there, he's making it right now.
Yeah, do the vertical one.
this is where he's putting his stuff on it. So they make the sushi the way you like it. No, that's good.
And the flaky thing. Are you gonna grab the end? Yeah. Okay. One of them was plain. I see with nothing. The other one with sesame seeds and spicy mayo. Which one's the one with no avocado? That one? Okay. Yeah, this one's plain, and then that one with, what did I say? With the spicy mayo and sesame seeds. Yeah. And then the no avocado with everything. Yes.
This one you want it right up?
Yes.
Are we getting sushi?
Just watching.
Oh, yes. And that one's the no avocado with the crunchy.
And it's sold out.
Is that without avocado?
And it's almost done.
I think those two were. One was without avocado. Yeah. Can you put crunchies on that one? Yeah. And then all the rest are great. Thank you.
All the prepared ones that you can have already made. Very beautiful. Because here's the one where you can do your selection.
That'll be about one plate.
This looking.
And here are all the different selection of seafood that you can pick from.
There's your whole catfish you got.
Oh, look, the whole catfish. Very nice.
Look at that fish.
Oh, yeah. And that wild caught whole American red snapper. And it's huge. Wowzer. Wild caught. That's very important. Look at all these. That one is wild caught too. Yeah, all the wild caught option. And the price look very reasonable to me. And look at all the snow crab claws. Ooh, they have the.
Wild caught.
This is neat.
Look at all your shrimp.
Yep. Very beautiful display for sure. Yep. Very gorgeous.
Okay. How are you? Good. Busy now?
Look at all this gorgeous looking seafood. Wow. That's the wild caught jumbo snow crab. Very nice. Good eating tonight.
We need to capture some lobsters there too. A lot of wild caught shrimp.
Yeah, I love it. Look at all these different wild caught shrimp, and the size of them is really awesome. And there's the lobster and scallops,
Well, the one you
also
got there is
wild caught
There's
too.
a Caribbean wild caught one. Look at this. Look at the color on that lobster tail.
Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Yeah, these are wild caught and it is neat.
These are 56 for 1 pound. I don't see well.
Yeah, that should be fine. I haven't sold one. One piece.
Huh?
One piece.
1 piece?
Yeah, one piece is like 65. But it's a pretty big lobster.
How many pounds for 1 piece?
Yeah, it's close to a pound and a half.
A pound and a half?
Yeah, a pound and a half.
So about like $40 for 1 pound.
You're better off than these.
Oh,
You're
better?
probably better off. These are $4.94, $9.7. A lot of places you go, they're close to $8.
Okay, so can I have like give me the big one about like 5 pounds, please. Yeah, 5 pounds. Yeah, that one. No. Yeah, that one and next two. Yes, and this one. No, next one. Yeah, no, over here. No, not this one. It's okay then. This one. Yeah. Can I have few more, please? Can I have few more? No. Yeah. Can I have one?
It's fun to watch.
Huh? Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
I was waiting to see if he'll buy that big one.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, you can invite all of us over for dinner, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, good price. How many pounds now?
It's about a pound, it's about a piece.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. How many pieces there?
That's 9 pieces, and you're looking at 4 ounces. And we're going to go close to a pound, 2 pounds.
Can I have this one too? Oh, it's okay.
What are you making?
Just like thank you.
They have two. Have four.
Get a
Yes. Give me the
close up to that lobster tail.
Yeah, get the group one.
Caribbean
Yeah,
lobster
any.
tail. You
Yeah.
see the color on those?
Oh yeah.
Another two.
We need to be short on those.
Very neat.
I knew it was a mistake taker.
Did you want a to buy something? Do you want to stay in line to buy something? Oh, okay.
Here's how we go.
I want to see the checkout page.
All right, look at that.
Do you want to do these? Do you want to do these shorts, or do you
Yeah.
want to do a long and a short?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep going up and down on this.
Look at how gorgeous these are.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hello, these are gorgeous.
I think I made this all by myself.
You did? Well, you're so talented.
I know everybody else there is nothing. All me.
That's all you, huh?
I wish I was that skilled.
I am sure you help a lot.
Thank you. I'm so glad you have that bakery.
Do you have any gluten-free bakery items?
I do. I have gluten-free brownies.
Really?
Yes. You want me to show it to you?
Yeah. Sure.
I'll change place with you.
You're fine. These are so nice.
That's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. They're like works of art. Wowzer. I just love all this. Get it for you. Very nice.
We got a lot of grass spreads.
Yeah, this is the natural, no hormones added, very fresh looking meat. Hi. Looks very fresh. Yeah.
Hey, look at this. Look at this pine that's for 14 days.
Ah,
And then look at these are done for 21 days.
wow. Okay, look at the age. This is prime 1, age at least 14 days. Very nice looking cut. Ooh, they even have the Wagyu beef here too. Look at that. Nice. And they have all those prime cut. Very nice.
See mine? This is the one you like here. This is 21
Oh,
days.
wow. This is dry age at least 21 days. Marble for superior tanniness and flavor. Look at that. It is very beautiful looking. Wowzer. That is neat. Beautiful cut, for sure. Definitely worth the splurge.
Here's the flyer.
Now we come to the beverage.
Peanut butter.
Oh, right, the natural peanut butter.
It's organic.
Oh, organic natural peanut butter.
In the healthy living aisle, we also have it where you can grind it yourself.
Grind it yourself.
Yeah,
Oh,
the machine that grinds
nice.
it, I'll tell you, the regular peanut butter is great.
Uh-huh.
Honey roasted is even better.
Oh, thanks for the tip. Did y'all hear that? You can grind your own peanut butter.
That's our own brand of lunch meats.
Oh, look at all of the different house brand HEB lunch meats that are available for selection.
Other people might be there. There's the liquor aisle.
Ooh, there's a liquor aisle. That's always important. Let's see. Lots of good selection there too. And it looks like they have someone down that aisle in case you have any question. I see that she's wearing a name tag. So if you have any questions for your wine selection, they're on hand to help.